Hello viewers, welcome to Silent Infotech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can bulk import products when creating a purchase order. So basically, have you ever faced an issue like creating a purchase order in Odoo can be time consuming? If yes, then this module is a solution. So it's time to streamline the purchase order process by bulk importing product lines directly from the Excel files, eliminating manual product adding and reducing errors for enhanced efficiency. Alright, let's see how you can install and uses of this module. First of all, you must need to install this module on your Odoo ERP system. For that, just go to the Odoo apps. In the search bar, type the module name, and here you can see this is the module. This module is appeared installed already, so I skip this step. Once the installation is done, you don't need to configure any kind of configurations. You can start using this functionality directly. For that, go to the purchase and create a new purchase order. Click on new button, select the customer and just save this draft. Alright, now click on action and choose import order line. In this pop-up you can find a button upload your file, and below you can see click here for sample file. Download this sample Excel file to assist how you can create an Excel file for adding a bulk product line. I have already created, so I'm going to upload this Excel file directly. So I'm going to click on upload your file, choose one and open it. And here you can see all the details from this Excel file are fetched here, right? Just click on import. And here you can see all the products are added from that particular Excel file in the purchase order. So I hope you get the idea how this module works. And we have observed that how you can import products in bulk instead of adding them one by one. Alright, so this is all about this module. Thank you for watching this video.